Heating bills have gotten pretty brutal lately, and if you're looking for a smarter, more affordable way to keep your home warm this winter, a pellet stove is one of the best options you can go with right now. It's more efficient, clean burning, and way more cost effective than a lot of traditional heating methods. But with so many models out there, knowing which one is right for your space takes research. So we did that for you. Here are the 7 best pellet stoves for home heating. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these pellet stoves aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Masterforge pellet stove. This is the most budget-friendly pellet stove on our list. This one's a great option if you want solid heat without spending a lot. It can heat spaces between 800 and 1,200 square feet, so it's a nice fit for a cabin, a sunroom, or a smaller home that doesn't need a massive unit. You're also going to have Wi-Fi smart home tech, so you can check on it or change the settings right from your phone. Plus, the 30-pound hopper holds a good amount of pellets. The viewing glass has an air wash system, so you're not stuck staring at a foggy window instead of the flame. On safety, it has sensors watching the hopper and exhaust temps, and a vacuum sensor, so it'll shut itself off if something's not right. However, this one's probably not for you if you need to heat a big open floor plan. But if you're watching your budget and just need something reliable for a smaller space, it's hard to beat. Number 6 is the Pelpro Pellet Stove. This is the most efficient pellet stove on our list. This one's a great pick if you want serious heat without wasting fuel. It's EPA certified at 87.5% efficiency, so it pulls more warmth out of every pellet instead of letting it go to waste. This one can heat up to 2,500 square feet, which is a lot of ground for a pellet stove to cover. That's due to 49,200 BTUs of output and a 265 CFM blower that's strong but stays quiet while it works. The 150-pound hopper is the biggest in its class, and it can hold up to 4 days of fuel before you need to refill it. And if you want even more time between fills, there's an optional extension that bumps it up to 350 pounds total. You're also going to have a built-in thermostat with an easy dial control, 10 heat settings, and auto ignition. So you can start it up hands-off. And here's what Aaron wrote. Produces great heat. Maintenance is important, like any pellet stove, but it is very easy to maintain and keep clean. Now, that might be overkill if you're just heating a small room, but for bigger homes, garages, or workshops, it's great for the job. So if getting the most heat out of every pellet is what matters most to you, the Pelpro is the one to get. Number 5 is the Cleveland Ironworks Pellet Stove. This is the best with Wi-Fi on our list. This one has built-in Wi-Fi tech that lets you adjust the heat through an app, so there's no getting up to fiddle with dials once you're comfortable. Now, it can heat spaces from 1,800 up to 2,500 square feet, and can warm a good-sized home, not just one room. The 66-pound hopper gives you plenty of runtime before you need to add more pellets. And as for the design, it has 3 big windows on the front, so you can enjoy watching the fire instead of just feeling the heat. And the blower is built to stay quiet, so it won't compete with your TV or conversations. And here's what Shane wrote. Perfect size for my home. It does take a few days to figure out where to set it, but once you figure it out, it's pretty simple. I wish I would have done this years ago. I don't miss cutting wood or overpaying for it. This one's probably not the best pick if you want something small and tucked away, since it's built more as a centerpiece. But if you want style along with smart controls, it delivers both. Number 4 is the US Stove Company, GW1949 Wiseway Pellet Stove. This is the best non-electric option on our list. If you want heat that doesn't depend on the power staying on, then this is what you need. It uses a gravity-fed system instead of electric parts, so pellets drop naturally to keep the fire going. It can heat up to 2,000 square feet and puts out around 40,000 BTUs, which is plenty for most homes. The 60-pound hopper can run for up to 30 hours before you need to refill it, and since there's nothing electric involved, it runs completely silent. Starting it up takes a little effort though. You light the burn chamber with a propane torch, and then natural draft takes over from there. You'll also need to check on it now and then, since it's not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of stove. Now, this one's probably not for you if you want a fully automatic setup you never have to think about. But if you live somewhere with frequent power outages, or you just want a backup heat source that works no matter what, this one's tough to beat. And if you want to know the latest prices for the pellet stoves discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Comfort-Built HP 61 pellet stove. This is the best for large spaces on our list. This one's rated to heat up to 3,000 square feet, and with up to 50,000 BTUs of output, it has the muscle to back that up. The 51-pound hopper keeps things running for up to 19 hours on the lowest setting, so you're not stuck refilling it every few hours. You're also going to have a programmable thermostat, so you can set it once and let it keep your home at the temperature you want. Plus, you'll get a blower too, which helps push that warm air further through your space instead of staying in one corner. And with automatic ignition, getting it started is as simple as pressing a button. This one's probably more than you need if you're just heating a small room or a cabin. But if you have an open floor plan or a larger home to keep warm, this is best for that kind of job. Number 2 is the Cleveland Ironworks Mr. Heater. This is the best for small places on our list. Even with its small size, it doesn't skip on the smart features. It has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can adjust the heat from your phone instead of walking over to the stove every time. The 24-pound hopper keeps it fed with pellets, and the whole thing is small enough to fit into spots a bigger stove couldn't. Plus, the blower is quiet too, so it won't drown out conversations or your favorite show. And since it's built with solid steel and cast iron, it's made to hold up over time, not just for one winter. This one's probably not the right call if you're trying to heat a big open house. But for smaller spaces where every inch counts, it's a smart fit. Number 1 is the Comfort-Built HP 22 pellet stove. This is the best overall on our list. This one can heat up to 2,800 square feet, so it can handle a good chunk of the house, not just one room. It comes with a 55-pound hopper, so you're not filling it up every few hours. You're also going to have a programmable thermostat, so you can set it and let it do its thing. The powerful blower pushes that warm air out, and the auto ignition means starting it up is as easy as flipping a switch. You'll also have a big bay-style viewing window, so you can see the fire while it works, not just feel it. And with an ash pan that only needs emptying about once a week, cleanup stays pretty low effort. This one's probably not the pick if you're only heating a tiny room, since it's built to handle more space than that. But for most homes, it hits a solid balance of heat, features, and ease of use. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect pellet stove. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each pellet stove. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.